Take time to ask them questions and listen to them speak. Take time to look for monsters and listen to them.
Shriek!
Take time to do things together, like bake a cake or play. Take time to tell them stories and let out a funny
Nay!
Take time to explore outdoors and ask, what do you see? Take time to look for bees, bugs and all things.
Akavi!
Take time to try out new things, maybe take them to the zoo. Take time to name the animals and spot different kinds of...
Oops.
Take time to teach them funny words, like pyjama-wearing ostrich. Take time and you'll be rewarded with a clever little...
Sausage!
Take time, talk, listen and play to help develop your child's language and communication skills. For some great ideas, visit facebook.com/begins at home.